this bottle. I mean, it looks so nice. It's hiding.
C'est phénoménal.
You can breathe. You have here the mirrors. Hello, hello. 3:35 in the morning. You barely see this man and me. Maybe you will see me a little bit. No, okay, you don't see anything. Maybe you will see now. We are going to Spain.
España.
España. Barcelona. We are with our friends Misha and Tanya. They are also going now to the airport. We have the same tickets, same flight. We will see. It will be actually fun if they have the same seats together and we will have separate.
That's what I call Ryanair luck.
But maybe they paid for that.
Could be.
Ryanair luck money.
Too much of a jabba to pay
Too much of
100 kroner so sit together.
Of a jabba, too much of a jabba. So see you in the airport.
Moja mušina.
Backpack.
Moj drug.
It's yeah.
Right? Yeah.
No.
We met our friends.
So the thing actually I asked my Portuguese teacher.
Yeah.
And he said, if you're a man saying obrigada, you say obrigado. If you're a man.
Yeah.
If I'm a woman saying obrigada, I should say obrigada. Obrigada. I'm saying obrigada. You're saying obrigado.
But
So it depends who is saying, not
Okay.
who is saying.
Fucking hell.
They made a renovation too.
It's so complicated. She's nice. My man. Moja mušina.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Where are we going, Misha?
Barcelona.
Barcelona. Barcelona.
Barcelona, Barcelona.
Wir haben nur español.
Okay.
Mucho gracias.
I can say hasta la vista.
We are in Barcelona.
Barcelona.
And the first thing I see is Makschnacknacks, Makdoknak.
McNognack.
Makdoknak.
Makschnacknack. Makschnacknack.
They actually have interesting things. Like, just like a sandwich with different stuff. But it's breakfast. What else? Ooh, what is this?
This is the video, right?
Barcelona.
Barcelona.
We are in Barcelona.
Aeropuerto de Barcelona.
Estamos en Barcelona. Two cameramen. Cameramen in Cameroon.
I would love to see that video actually.
We can exchange.
But it's difficult to keep during the travels, like the routine.
That's true, but that's what travels are for, to break the routine.
Yeah.
But still to
This is breakfast tostada, tortilla
Breakfast tostada.
with the eggs and avocado and then something like plant-based meat, spicy one.
Chorizo.
Chorizo. Burrito. Also, is it also plant-based burrito? Yeah.
With tofu.
Nice. And this is banana coffee, caramelized coffee. And Heidi is really
I have a plant-based coffee bean, flat white.
flat white. Amazing. And I'm waiting for my avocados. This is what I
Yeah,
get.
Elias September is quite expensive.
This is the scrambled
September is
egg,
very expensive,
avocado,
but that's
like
also
avocado toast, basically,
something for
with
treats.
some hazelnut.
It's really nice.
This was the first.
Let's try.
Look at this, and look at the size of the spoon. It's just basically the same. What do you think?
I love raw desserts. It's really good.
Have you ever tried
I even made raw dessert. Cake.
I know.
What do you think?
Very, very, very creamy. And very, very coconutty, but it's not in this bouncy coconut way. And I really like the bottom has some kind of moisture, wetness to it. I don't know what it is on the bottom, but it's really, really nice.
This is Sagrada. Wow, it looks so nice, so gorgeous. Amazing. this.
They said it's sunny in Spain. That's the sun.
No sun.
Barcelona, Barcelona, Barcelona.
Barcelona, Barcelona, Barcelona.
Феноменально. Фантастично. Класно. Я люблю Барселону.
I need a picture.
Wait, blogger?
More stronger.
I'm wet.
We're going to Mercadona.
I'm такий блестящий.
Glossy. Fashionable.
Need to choose who is where is who.
Yeah. This is our apartment. This is the kitchen. Heidi is already in the kitchen.
Ah, it's a cleaning.
We have everything here. Hello. Oh, cups.
Yeah.
Oh, tea. Man, it's actually from Lidl, man. Yeah.
Little man.
Lidl, man.
That's why.
Little man.
Very Lidl, man.
Aqua, Parala,
That looks...
Blue.
It's me?
I feel it's not something we should.
Nice. Hello. This...
I want to drink water.
How we see here, it's very old type of ceiling. We have a very cool view. Maybe I don't know if it is here.
Interessantno.
Very interessant, no? Here also one more.
Sagrada da Familia.
Nice.
No.
So this is our elevator in our building. It's a very old one.
Are you coming in, ladies?
Yes. Look at this. This is a golden stuff.
And also, this paper is as old as the elevator.
No.
With instructions.
No, that's not true because it's printed. It's printed.
Principle, I guess. Principle.
Wow. We're moving slowly but surely.
Also, if you press on the red button, then it starts a parade. Parada.
Parada.
Everyone is filming.
We are
Superstar.
I'm
Harris is
filming
superstar.
with my eyes.
фантастично.
Феноменально. Феноменально. Классная. Сосай. Сосиска.
Так, все, закругляемся.
Oh, I actually don't know.
A 7, 8, no.
But it's all cities in Italy I've ever been to have something like this. Bologna.
Also Berlin peasant.
So the plan is to go somewhere,
Exploring the city.
explore in the city.
And also, guys, is this Barcelona or is it Paris?
I don't know.
Who knows?
Very
Look at
mixed
this.
feelings. Golden gates, palms, and the smell of marijuana.
And also pee. It's like a toilet
What
outside.
of you?
I smell nice. I smell like aqua fresh.
Always in explosion.
It is easy to believe in God in such churches. It's wow, and it's free.
Say what before?
You are crazy before. I heard the stories.
I mean, Porter is definitely was a party person also, I would say.
You said boss.
Wait.
Bye, Polly.
Yeah, me too. I mean, I know. Not that party anymore. I don't remember
You
when
just
I
get-
partied last time.
You just settled down.
Not
But
yet.
actually, we just got boyfriends.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like,
Not boss.
We were in the restaurant. We ate tapas, but of course it didn't record anything. But we're going now to the cocktail bar. What did you say?
Nothing.
He said something bad. Hari.
Yep, okay, sorry.
La paprika? Yeah, that's for me. Okay, origami. That's for the lady.
This is yours.
Thank you. Raspberries? Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Sorry. Mango. Yes, ahora sí. Okay, are you ready? Oh, yeah.
После Петрович.
Oh my god.
Voila. Amazing.
Okay, maybe in the nose in the bowl. And shot the drink.
A nose in the bowl?
Yes. Nose or.
Okay. Nose in... No, can you film it normally? Okay. Oh my god.
Thank you so much.
Cheers. Wow. Hey guys, how can you rate the cocktail bar we went to?
I was thinking the first day in Barcelona, but the cocktail bar was amazing.
Yes,
Out of 10.
Well,
10. Solid 10.
Solid 10.
Solid 10.
Misha?
I don't really like my cocktail after all. I understand this, but I like the service and concept and how they do cocktails, like show it. So 8.
8.
Yep.
Okay. I actually also think that I would put 7.8. I would not say 10 out of 10.
Also for that experience.
Yeah, it's nice experience, but I also experienced the cooler in Ukraine.
these Zodiac ones.
Yeah, exactly. Or I feel like I like this bar.
It was
But
really cool.
but I mean like I also like maybe your cocktail the most.
Mine was also really, really good.
Because like for instance I compare it to some bars in Copenhagen where we were ordering like some cocktails in a row and all of the cocktails they're not really I'm not used to them, you know, so much, and they're not kind of I don't know how
You're
to
too
say.
harsh.
I'm too harsh?
Yeah.
Do you know you're probably wrong for electrician there on the wall?
Probably. Probably.
Let's be a dog, guys.
But you know that you know that tipsy
want a pizza?
you want that.
Yeah, I want the pizza.
You want it. Exactly. And anyway, tipsy people they're always right.
Because I assumed you actually. Okay, should I try this one?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is Tanya's reaction. Oh, we also need Misha's reaction. I feel it's good. Oi, oi, oi. Ay, my, oi, my, oi.
Spicy.
Because we
There
put
was some
chili.
chili that was able to be put on. What do you think?
It's good, but for formaggi.
Yeah, I like cheese one.
It's really good, the cheesy one.
I like cheese.
Fantastico. Este es fantástico, pero esto no.
Sì, fenomenale.
Феноменально.
Creo
Sì,
que
fantastico.
На испанский.
Ruhать
este
Красно.
pista
Bueno.
bien.
Let's go.
Yes.
Let's go home, Buenos.
Vamos a ir a la playa. Ir a la playa. La,
Mi
la,
casa es tu casa. That one is scary.
Day number 2. The weather is the same. Nothing special. Heidi is happy.
So, we came to Barcelona, but we took Danish weather with us.
Yeah, we took Danish weather with us so much. I even made the bun today because it's like the weather is insane. The wind is just crazy. We're going to have a brunch, lunch, breakfast, coffee, whatever, and to go to Picasso Museum. Hey guys, I didn't film what we were eating. Again, we are in a really brunch place, and I can show you a picture. This was my this was my eggs Benedict. Also some Tanya and Misha ordered omelette and pancakes. And if you see, nobody can finish these pancakes because it's too much. It's very sweet. We already shared pieces. They're very good. And they are with the condensed milk and
I can even do a taste test for the camera. So sweet. Wow.
Thank you for the honest reaction.
It's so sweet. It's with condensed milk. Dulce de leche.
Yeah, with the condensed milk, with the boiled one.
But it's and also the pancakes.
Can you louder?
It's a fluffy American style pancakes. It's not the thin blini.
Yeah. Can you rate it?
Honest rating.
Of the whole round.
Okay, whole round. I would say 9 out of 10. Give it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Actually really good. I came in, wasn't hungry. When I saw the food and smelled the food, I was very hungry and now very full.
Amazing.
And good coffee too.
We just arrived to Picasso Museum and now I don't really see any Picasso works.
It's not his section yet. It's some Jerry guy.
I'm joking. Of course I understand. And it is actually something what I had in my art history classes and used as a references for black posters for everything. Yeah.
Wow.
Banda.
Seeing it in real life.
Yeah.
Look, I did the same when I was a child. The same pictures.
The same, just the same?
Yeah.
It's yours?
Just particularly the same. Wow. Naked woman, I like it.
You like only one naked
Yes.
ones.
Yeah,
I like
one's
the
really
colors.
nice.
Yeah. And this one is very good also.
This one looks so much not like Picasso, more like I don't know. No, actually,
That reminds me of
what do you think about the museum, Picasso Museum?
Amazing experience, honestly. It's super cool. Worth a visit. First floor, Picasso exhibition, and then second floor is temporary exhibitions.
Yeah.
But really, really cool.
Yeah, really nice. I also liked it so much. I feel like to see the whole process of becoming Picasso, who was at the end of his life, it's interesting. Yeah, really. I can imagine like in Malaga.
Malaga,
it's
where it's the main stop.
It's probably even cooler, but still like it's worth money. It was around like 8 euros for me under 25 and
yeah, like double the amount for me.
And
but
like
still,
double amount,
it's
like
100
14,
kronas to
16.
get in.
Yeah, recommend.
I think it means something, but it's
Guys, I'm just in the Spanish store, the regular one, and we found this bottle. I mean, it looks so nice. It's just nothing to do, no labels, anything, but it looks so cool. Or, for instance, this bottle of water, it's already like they're, selling it in a bottle what you could buy for like 70 crowns. Or this one, also with the, how it's called, not engraving. Oh my god, I'm just like shocked. I'm just shocked. Yeah, my first mandarins in Española. Yo, so cool looking. There are so many trees with mandarins on them. Oh my god, that's so cool. I don't know if you see. And it's even here. Hello. Hello, Mr. Green. How are you doing? Oi. Did you poop? Misha is hiding. Misha.
Somewhere, I think, from the station.
Basically, Misha's mom is here in Barcelona. That's why we also chose to go to Barcelona. And he's looking, where is she? To hide. The mama, where is? Yes, I'm filming. Yeah, can you hide? She's coming closer a little bit, and more closer, and almost here. She's here. She's here.
Ты такая латина.
Здравствуйте. Я Поля.
Это Харрис. Привет.
Это Валик, мой Валентин, мой двоюродный брат.
Привет.
Поля.
Харрис особенно не говорит украинского.
English.
Харрис очень харизматичный парень. Very charismatic. Boy.
Дякую.
Поля, you need to show a video from yesterday.
Yeah, with Misha. Yeah, about Misha. Yes.
Я знала, Миша, вот 99%
Откуда ты знала?
интуиция.
Не могла.
Я тебе серьезно говорю. Я даже Серхио говорила.
Very интересant.
Very interesting.
Откуда вы знаете? Я модель.
It can also be something with cats. Ой, курац.
Не будем покупать.
Living here? Yeah, actually. Some people do. Це феноменально?
Це феноменально. Це отлично.
This is what we left.
It was amazing.
It was amazing. It's the best croissant place in Barcelona. They have a lot of different stuff. Something like this, for instance, and like this. It was amazing. Harry took a business card. Okie dokie.
Yes.
Let's go home. Nice. Wow. Is it yours?
Yeah, it's mine. It's mine.
Oi. It's the same as yesterday, actually, Poля.
Similar.
And you're like,
That's actually really good. Wow. This one is really interesting looking. It's like you can breathe. Wow, it's really nice. And you have here the mirror. What is this?
It is a mirror.
And I probably also should get one.
Yeah, I think it's on the road. It's coming here.
Yeah.
He said you would drink from this side.
From this side.
You can enjoy the white part with the foam.
This is Robata. Robata, yes. This is the place Robata. And we ordered so much. This is the tasting everything menu.
I now understand why you don't eat in the morning, guys.
You didn't even.
We are evening eaters.
Eaters. Ceviche, and we also have sashimi.
Yeah, we also have the sashimi.
I also have
Yeah.
Oh, guys.
Good luck.
Oh my god, I don't know how to eat.
We will just go and eat.
Good morning, everyone. Today the third day. I have almost no battery.
Maybe this is gonna be the last footage you see
Maybe.
of us in Barcelona.
Exactly. But we are going to flea market. And we're with Misha's mom. And we also then want to find a coffee shop and to finish some of the stuff what we plan to do. To buy cheese, to do some stuff. Yeah, just like, I don't really remember. I have a big list. We arrived to the beach. We just had actually our breakfast. And now we are trying to look for Paris.
Yeah.
We didn't find anything. We bought.
I think they flew away.
Yeah, we bought some seeds to feed them, but we don't have anyone to feed. Maybe Harry will be having
give them that.
second brunch.
We are walking on the beach.
This how it looks. Very nice. Looks like Copenhagen, but with the big waves and palms.
Tall buildings, there's water,
Yeah.
people are biking.
What do you think?
Of what?
About what?
Beach?
Beach. I love it. I would love to swim there, but it's a bit cold. Kind of.
A lot of trash.
A lot of
I don't
trash.
like.
But that I don't like. So people take care of the nature.
Yes.
It is the main message.
Take care
Exactly.
of the nature.
Yeah, and take your trash out of the beach.
Yeah.
Because we beach.
Tanya and her hunt. She found them. Finally.
Started.
It's like a first date. In the beginning it's awkward, but then you're getting closer and closer.
They couldn't see it. They had not seen it.
You need to get out. Коля,
I think if I would be a parrot, I would also be not seeing what you're doing. You need to think like a parrot.
Oh, one went away.
Oh! Ah! What is his name?
Kesha.
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 Cashew. Oh, Cashew. Mr. Cashew. How are you doing?
Do you want to sit on my hand? Oh, you're a friendly one. A social parrot. He's a bit afraid. Oh, he's taking cutie one.
This is another parrot.
If that can eat, I can also eat.
Very tired actually. We came to eat, nothing to see, but here we actually see you guys and some food. We ordered some quinoa with salmon, black ravioli. Is it
No flesh.
Pad Thai.
or something?
Pad Thai with vegan chicken.
Wow. Okay, taco and also tartar. It's just like avocado and mango. It's something tartar. So yeah.
Amazing.
Bon appetit.
Buenos apetitos.
Що ти? За скільки везеш?
Возаш?
Везеш? Возиш?
Я возим. Моя точка.
За скільки? Тачка.
Тачка.
Моя точка.
Моя тачка.
Моя точка. Це дуже смішно.
Моя тачка.
Почем?
А?
Почем?
Почем?
За скільки береш? How much?
40 євро.
40 євро.
Моя мінімальна ціна.
40 євро крем. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, guys.
We are in an interesting car.
Happy International Women's Day.
Thank you everyone. Happy International Women's Day. We are going to the airport. Do I want to sleep? Yes. Am I dying? Yes. But we're dying happy. Happy.
Look at him, he's so happy.
He's so happy.
I'm sad. Live in Barcelona. I love Barcelona. Oh, we need to.
It's okay.
Just need to keep talking.
But still, like one floor, kind of part of the floor, it's yours.
But also for like 12,000 or so.
Here we go.
Risky, man. After 3 days in Barcelona, no pedestrian cross. No pasa nada. No pasa
Never.
Fucking amazing. Sitting in the airplane for 3 hours now. Ryanair.
A very interesting spot because we're sitting like this. There's also Misha behind us.
Just at the entrance, not too bad. And also, guys, we smuggled 1 kilo of cheese with us. Minimum. Maybe more.
Hello, everybody. Hello, man. We are in
You're
Copenhagen.
such star that so many people are here for you. They came to even this camera.
Зірка TikToku.
We need to exit here.
Danish Ukrainian delegation.
Yeah. That was a fire at Christian's Haven Metro, so we need to figure out what to do. So we are going to the train.
We need to come out here, get out.